Well, good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, we'll start with U.S. market. Now, U.S. market was yesterday in yesterday's session. The U.S. market was under heavy pressure. If you look at Dow Jones fell by close to 150, 70 points. Nasdaq fell by close to 154 points, and S&P 500 fell to close to 29 points negative. Now the whole US market was under profit booking. Well, if you see, the result season is also there in America market. In US market, shares like this one, IBM and Surveys, they all delivered very good results. Yesterday even I was reading their results, and they not only beat the estimates, they have performed very good. But look at their shares. Their shares slipped by 8%. Service shares fell by close to 17%. So the market sentiment is very bad. Even the good shares are getting beaten down. Microsoft, Oracle, Palantir, and all these stocks were under heavy profit booking. So the market was corrected mostly into IT stocks, AI stocks, and by Nasdaq. So this is the situation in US market. Now let's talk about Asian markets. So after the US market, Asian markets, now if you look at Taiwan market, it is up by 668 points. Nasdaq is up by Nikkei is up by 277 points. Rest Asian markets are doing flat to negative. Now this is the reason behind this very sideways to negative trend is because of geopolitical situations. So America has tightened near to Strait of Hormuz. They have attacked two of its Iran ships which was trying to cross, and these things have escalating the situations, and these are escalating the mindset in investors, and very negative mindset amongst the traders and investors. So this is about US market and Asian markets. Now if you look at SGX Nifty is showing a gap up opening of 80 points. If I talk about FIA and DIA, right, on yesterday's session, the FIA, they have sold close to 3,200 crores, and DIA, they have bought just 941 crores. So relentlessly FII are selling. They're not looking left and right. They are just hammering and they're selling, just press sell button there. That's all they're doing in Indian market. Now Brent crude, because of geopolitical situations, because of Trump tightening near Strait of Hormuz, Brent crude is now at $106 per barrel. How we came from $88 to $106 per barrel, right? So that's a big and massive jump. Now even if you look at our market, coming to our market, yesterday Nifty corrected close to 205 points. Nifty closed at 24,173. The support now will become 24,000, and the resistance now will become 24,400. Now if you talk about Bank Nifty closed at 56,305. The support now will become 56,000, and the resistance now will become 57,000. Look at another very important thing, Infosys. Yesterday Infosys numbers came, and in Infosys ADR in US market, Infosys was down at 1.6%. But now in morning I checked, Infosys is just down 4%. From 6% to 4%, recovered 2%, but still Infosys ADR is down 4%. After, it delivered very good results, but the commentary and the outlook for 2027 was not at all good. Look at the currency guidelines. It was expected to come down by 0.6%, but it came at 1.6%. What last time the bid win was it was around something $4.2 billion. It was just now $3.4 billion. So they have a decline in their bid win, their decline in currency growth. So these all things are suggesting me that IT stock should be in your radar, and Infosys can put pressure in IT and on Nifty too, in both. So ADR is down by 4%, and results, if I talk about very good results, I really like Infosys results, but the guidance was not at all good. The commentary with the boards and all, everything, representative was not at all good, and because of which Infosys ADR fell 4%. Today I think Infosys will put pressure on Nifty IT, and the Nifty will be under pressure because of Nifty IT. So this is my view still. I think the market is at very attractive level, but we have to wait and watch very closely. So my strategy will remain the same. Today high, if we trade above today high in second half, then only go long. Risk to reward is very favorable. It's very attractive. 24,000 is a very strong support on market on spot, and we are at 24,173. If we get it right at 24,000, very good. But it's a still buy on dip till Nifty is about 23,800. It's a buy on dip market for me. I am holding my long positions. I am still staying in my longs, and I'm waiting to add dip in this market. So my strategy is same. If we trade above day high in second half, and then I'll add quantities in my long positions. So this is my view, this is my strategy. I hope you would have learned a lot. I hope you have taken the notes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.